guys, in today's video we are going to mix the feeds, and today our birds have made seven days. So the first 1 week, and from the day one they have been feeding on pre-starter, and that is a pellet form. So today they are supposed to start another form of feeds that we are going to mix today. And so here we use koudis feeds, and we follow the koudis formula. So we are going to mix 100 kilograms of feed, and we are going to use the broiler concentrate, because these birds have to grow very fast. So they're supposed to eat this feed from this week up to the 6th week. Then we can change we can change for them the food. So 100 kilograms of feed, we are going to use 35 kilograms of the broiler concentrate, and we're also going to use 53 kilograms of broken maize and 12 kilograms of maize bran, according to koudis mixing formula. So without wasting your time, let's start the mixing. As you can see, I'm already here in the store. We are going to mix from here. So I will show you how we are going to do this. Please, this is a video you should watch. Please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And yes.
So we start by measuring the broken maize. We have to measure everything appropriately so that we avoid giving birds high concentration or less concentration of the concentrate. So we measure the broken maize, the maize bran, and we confirm the kilograms, and then we can start the mixing. So continue watching. By the end of this video, you will have seen and learned how we do our things. Actually, mixing feeds really reduces the expenditures, because buying feeds that are already mixed is super expensive, and we found it really good mixing our own feeds. So this is a video that you can get to learn something. So mixing, because we are only 2 people, we usually measure slowly since the birds aren't that so many. We measure slowly, a few kilograms, because it is really heavy, like to carry a huge bag. That is broken maize, and we got it from a very nice place. So continue watching. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, and yeah, God bless you. So after measuring the broken maize, that is maize bran, we needed about 12 kilograms, and that's what we are going to measure, and we put it down. So guys, we are measuring from down, because our store is very good, so we cleaned it, disinfected, and we are measuring from the ground, because when we put a tapling, it is really hard, like the spade keeps on hurting it. So those are the concentrates, and we use the broiler concentrate. And how do we differentiate the broiler concentrate? That is a layer concentrate. It has a layer bud on it, and the broiler concentrate has the broiler bud on it. So that's how we know for starters. So we needed also we measured it, and we are going to mix 100 kilograms of feed. So that is it. Continue watching. So after all the measurements, we now start mixing. So we are going to be mixing this feed until it mixes really well. So we put that, we keep turning it for up to around 6 times. We also add that binder. It's a toxin binder, and it helps the feed like not to have aflatoxins in it, like if you keep it down like for a long time. So we shall mix it until you see that it's really mixed, the concentrate mixed with the feed. So we continue like changing it from this position to that position, this position, that position, for about 6 or 8 rounds, and there we shall show you how it's going to look like at the end of the mixing. So as you see the video, yeah, my husband mixed and I'm also coming to help. It's really hectic, by the way. It's not something like you can do very fast. You feel like, yeah. So I'm also doing, we are going to continue turning it until it's, but as you can see, at least you see that it has changed. Yeah, it's changing. And keep watching, subscribe, like the video. So guys, the feeds are almost ready. And yeah, ta-la, that's what we have that our birds are going to enjoy for the 6 weeks. Yeah, subscribe. So I'm going to put for them the food and the feeders. And yeah, we are changing also the feeders. They have been feeding from trays. Today we are introducing feeders. Bye.